Hello, welcome to Star Collections. In today's episode, we are going to see Coimbatore silk cotton sarees. These sarees are being weaved based on customers' color requirement and design input. It's a true blue color silk cotton saree. It has golden jari buttas all over with a mango motifs for the pallu. It's very simple and elegant looking saree. The saree is priced at Rs 2400. It's a navy blue color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with dotted jari buttas all over the body and with beautiful mango jari works in the pallu. It has a running plain blouse. The saree is priced at Rs 2400. It's a teal blue color silk cotton saree. It comes with purple and peach weaving checks all over the body. It has a beautiful bird weavings in the pallu. The saree comes with the running plain blouse. This multicolor checks border saree is priced at 1365. It's a mustard color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with lavender and black triangle weaving buttas all over the body. The pallu has a jacquard lavender. The saree comes with a lavender jacquard weave blouse with burgundy border for the sleeves. This saree is priced at Rs 1365. It's a buttercream color silk cotton saree with pink and golden beautiful buttas all over the saree. The saree comes with a beautiful mini checks jacquard blouse. This saree is priced at Rs 1650. It's a pure green silk cotton saree. This saree comes with golden and pink peacock motifs all over the saree. It has a very pretty pink weaving patterns in the pallu. The saree comes with a very pretty mini checks jacquard blouse. This saree is priced at Rs 1650. It's a caramel brown color silk cotton saree with antique golden borders on either side. The saree has a 3D peacock buttas all over the body. It comes with a running blouse. This saree is priced at Rs 980. It's a magenta color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with the 3D peacock golden buttas all over the saree. It has a floral golden weaves in the pallu. This saree is priced at Rs 980. It's a beautiful peacock blue color saree with all over golden floral patterns with tissue borders in both the edges. It comes with the contrast pink pallu and a plain pink blouse. It's priced at Rs 1950. It's a raisin purple silk cotton saree with the golden floral buttas all over the saree. The saree has a beautiful peacock motifs in the pallu. It comes with a running plain blouse with border for the sleeves. The saree is priced at Rs 1850. It's a very rare moss green color silk cotton saree. It comes with the mustard color buttas all over the saree. The saree comes with the plain running blouse with border for the sleeves and the saree is priced at 1470. It's a basil green silk cotton saree with purple buttas all over the saree. The pallu has a weaving purple patterns with tissue borders by both the edges. The saree comes with a plain running blouse with border for the sleeves and the saree is priced at Rs 1470. It's a mustard color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with the brown brasso work all over the body and purple brasso work over the borders. The saree comes with the checks checkered blouse with borders for the sleeves. The saree is priced at Rs 1350. It's a taupe green silk cotton saree. The saree comes with brown brasso work all over the body and blue brasso work for the border. The saree comes with a checkered blouse with borders for the sleeves. The saree is priced at Rs 1350. It's a peacock green color silk cotton saree with lotus buttas in alternative Jari checks all over the saree. The saree comes with a peacock blue contrast pallu and plain peacock blue blouse. It has a very rich border. The saree is priced at Rs 1950. It's an orange color silk cotton saree with golden lotus buttas all over the body with an alternative checks. The saree comes with the wine color contrast heavy rich pallu and rich golden borders. The saree comes with the plain wine color contrast blouse. It's priced at Rs 1950. It's a plum color silk cotton saree. It has green and golden elephant buttas all over the body. It has a very beautiful green floral weaving patterns in the pallu accompanied with golden jari works. The saree comes with a plain running blouse and it is priced at Rs 1350. It's a dark green color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with the pink and golden elephant buttas all over the body. The pallu has a weaving pink floral patterns accompanied with golden jaris. The saree comes with a plain running blouse with border for the sleeves and it is priced at Rs 1350. It's a dark violet color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with silver buttas all over the border and with heavy silver pallu. The saree comes with a heavy silver butta blouse. The saree is priced at Rs 1800. It's a burgundy color silk cotton saree. The saree comes with silver butta all over the body and a heavy pallu. The saree comes with the self color silver butta jacket blouse. The saree is priced at Rs 1800. Thanks for watching. For any enquiries, please contact at 9498370037.